Hi everyone! Today I'm making a classic potato salad and using the Instant Pot for all of the cooking. I'm starting off with 3.5 pounds of russet potatoes, but reds or Yukon Golds would work just as well. Personally, I like leaving the skins on because I enjoy the texture, but I think the majority of the people prefer them off, so I'll go ahead and peel them. Completely up to you. I'm going to rinse these off now and then cut them into 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch pieces. I'm using my 6-quart Duo today, and I'll set up my pot insert along with the steamer basket so I can toss the potatoes in as I go. Any kind of basket will work, so long as it will keep the potatoes lifted up above the water, so a little bit 1/2 inch foot there. I'm going to use this one with a handle so I can do an easy lift after cooking. Place the insert into the pot housing and give it a quick shimmy shake to level out the potatoes. We can cook the eggs right along with the potatoes, and you can add as many as you like. Add just 1 cup of water or flavored liquid like a chicken broth or a pickle juice. Lock and seal the lid and set your pot to cook on high for 5 minutes, followed by a quick pressure release. Immediately put the eggs into an ice bath to stop their cooking, and set the potatoes to the side to cool off just a bit, not too long. They still need to be warm when we add the dressing. Empty and wipe out the pot because now we get to cook our 1/2 pound of bacon. Okay, I know, so I could have done this on the stovetop, or I could have cooked them in the Instant Pot before we did the potatoes, but then I'd either have an extra pan to clean or I'd have to deglaze the pot. I'll let you choose your own adventure here. Crispy, yum. You're going to need a large bowl so that you have room to mix everything together. You can transfer to a prettier bowl later for presentation. I just love how easily eggs peel after cooking in the IP. I'll build the dressing in this small bowl while I add the chopped ingredients to the larger bowl. This part is a choose your own adventure, as you can add or leave out any ingredients that you choose. I'm going with the classics here. In the dressing, I've got egg yolk, mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, black pepper, smoked paprika, pickle juice, and olive juice. It's all about balancing the salt and acid levels here, so if you want an extra salt or a splash of lemon juice, go for it. A little cayenne or red pepper flakes wouldn't be a bad idea either. For the chopped components, I'm doing egg whites, celery with its leaves, scallions, red onion, green olives with the pimento, and dill pickles. If you want some less classic but fun components, try adding dried fruits like cranberries, cherries, or apricots. Shredded cheese and roasted sunflower seeds are pretty delicious too. This is a lot of chopping and prep work, so if you think it will take you longer than 15 minutes to do all of this, you may want to do as much of it as you can while the potatoes and eggs are still in the pot, because you want those potatoes to still be warm when you put it all together. Perfectly cooked, soft, but holding their shape and still warm. And don't forget about the bacon, and of course that silky dressing we made. Stir it all up to evenly distribute everything and coat the potatoes. Notice we haven't added any salt yet. There's a lot in the bacon, mayo, and other mix-ins, so I like to wait until the end to see if it needs more. Give it a taste and add salt, pepper, or pickle juice if your taste buds tell you to. You can serve it right away, but it's much better after chilling in the fridge for at least 2 hours to let the flavors marry up. Don't be afraid to sign up for potato salad at your next potluck. Thank you for watching, and as always, the ingredients and instructions are written in the description box below the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know what are your go-to mix-ins for potato salad. Do you like mayo-based or vinegar-based ones like a German potato salad? I like German potato salad. Anyway, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.